Welcome to Bums on a Boat. My name is Michael, the handsome devil is Joel, and the furry sweetheart is Lola. Like you, we've spent most of this year stuck at home and feeling uncertain about the future. We were only allowed to leave our boat for strictly essential activities. But now restrictions are easing, beaches are opening, and we cannot wait to stretch our legs again. Subscribe and join us today for some fun in the sun. We're excited to show you one of this harbor's beautiful hidden gems.
These are the tales of BOAB.
It's finally time to just have an adventure. We're not gonna be working on toilets. We're not gonna touch the engine. But it's not gonna be without a little bit of boat work. We're going to a beach. But of course our outboard fell apart last night. It unwound. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get it started, but if we do, then we're going to attempt to fix this at the beach, scrape the dinghy, but we're gonna have adventures. We're gonna explore.
Going on an adventure.
All you got is about an inch. Look at that! Come on, old girl. Ah. Give it to me. Hold on to your butts, guys.
Wait for it, Lola. Wait for it. Wait for it. Go on, old girl. Go on. Go on. She's awesome.
The sand is so soft.
Come here, Lola. Oh, who's a good girl? Lola, good girl.
Who's coming, old girl? Who is that? Lola, who is it? Out there. Who's on their way? Here comes company. Who is it, Lola? That one's gonna sink. She'll be confused. Where'd it go, Lola? Where'd it go? It's sunk. Come on, Lola, it's sunk, old girl, it's gone. Come on, Lola.
Where's the stick?
Come on, it's gone. I was just playing a trick on you. What do you think?
Oh, she swam in circles.
Come on, Lola. Hello.
Hi, baby girl. Oh, careful.
Watch out, Lola.
Watch out, sweetie.
Michael's job is to clean this mess.
Yeah. Just moving.
Whoa.
Did you poke it?
Yeah.
Gross, huh? Gross, but fascinating.
My job is gonna be to try to work on the outboard. I think I got the better end of that deal.
Yeah, well, you're also more practiced at the outboard.
I've definitely had some experience.
And I'm sort of a cleaning freak.
Is there any smudges? How we looking?
You guys are looking good, that's all I know.
I hope you're having as much fun as we are. It is nice to be out of the boat, out of the engine room, out of the bathroom, This is great.
Because
You need days like this.
we spend all our time in the engine and in the bathroom. No, not all our time, but
99%. See what theirs looks like here. Not so bad. So here's the problem. That thing unwound, it has to latch into that little indention, and it keeps just coming out and then unraveling in there.
So we use the metal scraper on the hard portion and the plastic scrapers on the tubes. And it is tough to get this stuff off the tubes. It's not crazy difficult. This stuff just doesn't stick like barnacles do. But it's amazing how well this anti-foulant on the dinghy works. Like, I haven't touched this whole area. Check it out. It's just cool, right?
All right, here's my idea. Tell me what you think. I'm gonna cut off about 1.5 feet. I feel like this is just too long, and so it makes you have to wind that spring up really tight, and it's really loaded, and I think there's a lot of pressure on it. It's why it keeps. So I'm just gonna make it shorter so I don't have to wind it so tight and see what happens. We got it loaded now. So Drew is holding it. Now I just gotta fish this thing through here, and we're almost home free. Hardest part is done, thanks to Drew's help. Thank you. So it's just getting this line through all this is just a pain, but now we just gotta grab it. All right, well, I'll put the camera down. All right, now we should be able to let her go slowly. Come on, baby. Right. Pretty sure everyone's seen the commercials on Facebook about these. I wanted to capture a first timer. Drew's done this before.
I don't think I have.
Okay, so Drew's a first timer. Now, on the commercial, this looks really easy. Let's see what it looks like in real life.
We just don't have any wind over here.
All right. Let's see it.
Catch some wind.
Oh? Oh! All right, that was pretty easy.
I think you just buckle this.
I don't know if you wanted to try to get on it though.
You might pop it, yeah. Don't pop it. Don't pop it. Just take me back, Lola. Take me back. Take me back. Oh, good girl. Good girl, Lola. Good girl. I'm trapped in the badge bag. Help.
All right, our work here is finished. Outboard's all put together. Let's go, baby.
It's not working at all. I'm gonna go with less effective.
Something else you can do at the beach. Do you have any professional training?
I watched it on YouTube once.
That's good enough.
That's pretty much the same thing.
Yep. All right, now it's my turn.
Yeah, okay.
Starting to get the Wolverine look going.
I'll probably start with the long four, maybe?
Long four?
Okay.
Did Bill teach you?
Yeah, this is a pretty awesome thing. We're probably gonna have to get one of these. Whoa, these things are so nice.
It's like boat life. It really helps to have the right tool. When you have terrible clippers, cutting hair is just a disaster,
Yeah.
and it looks bad. Oh, yes, yes! Lola! What do you think you're doing?
She went on the hike early.
Come on.
Coming to the rescue.
What do you think you're doing?
Wow, some of this sand is really soft.
We're gonna do a little bit of exploring. We're guessing a termite nest. What do you guys think? This is kind of random here. It's the only one that I've seen so far. There's a cactus. Guys, how cool is it that we came from way over yonder?
So we actually came out here. Our friend Jen brought us over here to check it out. That was over a year ago, though, when we were in the boatyard and we were having a tough time, and she brought us out here, and it was like just the most amazing, relaxing, exciting, just exploration time. Because
Come on, no shit, leave it. Some garbage stuff.
because we were so stressed out in the boatyard. We made it. We almost gave up. We almost turned around. We kind of got lost. The last time Joel and I came out here was over a year ago, but we made it to the blowholes. This is epic. That's awesome.
Michael and I have only been here once. We kept telling him it was just right around the bend. It was not very far, and then we just kept walking and walking and walking.
That was a lie.
But I think they've confirmed that it was worth the walk.
It was definitely worth the walk. And you know what? With all this beauty and ocean and everything, it's easy to forget to click that like button.
He's a natural. Alright, that's all I got.
I want to say it's like gnocchi, but that's not right.
Alright, who knows what that is? Michael thinks it's gnocchi,
It's not.
and it smells like stinky cheese.
That's what I've heard.
That's your clue. Ooh, there's
flower.
But it's medicinal, I think.
So this entire area is a development that never got developed. They plotted the land, they had it all sectioned off, they were ready for investors, and nothing. Poor old little Lola was dying. I think she hit a roadblock or something. Mostly I think it was heat exhaustion. Couldn't imagine, dogs do not sweat. So she's got the fur and she's not sweating, and it is hot. So of course, Lola knew exactly where to go. Lola, did you have fun, old girl? Lola, what do you think? All right, Michael, what was the secret? How did you get it?
I spun it around in a circle.
I was just telling Poopsie this is what we had in mind when we got a boat. She had no idea. She thought it was just being stuck on the boat most of the day.
Toilets and engines.
With the
and
10-minute beach visit.
sprinting around the beach.
This is what we were thinking about, old girl.
What do you think, Lola? Is that gonna play? She says, I need a beer before this is gonna play.
Okay,
Oh, Dad'll share.
there you go. Nope, Lola does not like beer. She does not like coffee. She's a straight shooter. Water and dog food. Well, and any kind of food, but
Hamburger.
she drinks salt water sometimes, but I think she's learning it's not the best thing for her.
Yeah.
Still hasn't learned that eating sand is not really the play.
Yeah, we're working on that one.
We overcome obstacles. That is what we do.
Not looking good, guys. Oh!
I was starting to lose hope.
Yeah, we were drifting for the rocks.
Yeah.
Up we go, girl.
Epic day. We had some showers, we got some food, feeling good. Pretty tired but refreshed.
I guess you can say this is what was on the brochure. The
Yeah.
the boat life brochure.
Yeah.
Apparently that's not all that boat life is.
Not at all, but it's definitely the case that all of the struggles and frustrating times and hard times that we go through make days like today just that much sweeter.
Yeah, and well, we're exhausted.
Yeah. Side note, quick side note. Thanks, Joe. This is a present from Joe Werner, and I'm really excited about this. I'm loving it. So thank you. There's a good chance that we will be able to do some day sailing.
Hold on to your butts, everybody. Subscribe. Throw us a like if you really enjoyed it. And comment down below. And we'll see you next time.
These are the tales of BOAB.
Come on, Willie. Pay attention. Focus.
BOAB!
Lola dipped.
How come you're so quiet?